Hello, I'm going to go over lesson number 1 of week of November 30th. If you need help, please email us or send us a Hangout chat or email us to sign up for office hours. For the first step, you will be making a prediction. For step 2, you will explore some birds of paradise. Step 3, you will create an analysis. And step 4 is the optional extension. You will be watching a video and answering some questions. For this week's objective, you will be able to explain using evidence how sexual selection drives evolution. The key point from last lesson is that we learned that natural selection is when a random mutation allows a trait to increase the fitness or ability to survive and reproduce of an organism, and therefore will continue to increase in the population. For step 1, you will copy this vocabulary word, which is sexual selection, onto your vocab tracker. Please click on one of the 3 classes that corresponds to you to copy this information onto your own vocab tracker. Remember that this is lesson number 1 of week 1130. For the second part of step 1, you will be using the definition to help you make a prediction. Using this scenario here, you will be answering this question. What do you think the population of these birds will look like after many generations and why? Please type in your answer in the pink box below. For step 2, you will be exploring 39 species of birds of paradise. These birds live in Papua New Guinea in Australia. They are known to be performers. They combine extreme feathers, beautiful colors, piercing sounds, and precise movements. These are all adaptations with a single function to attract their mates. Please click on the link for the website here and go through some of the ways that these male birds attract females. Fill in the box here below once you have the information. Each category is listed on the left side. You will pick the name of the species and write it in this second box, and in this last and third box you will write what special traits do the males have that have evolved to attract females. For step 3, you will be using what you learned to answer the following questions. For the first question, let me know what is the coolest trait that you learned about and why you think it's exciting. For the step 2, you will explain how in these birds, how does the female choosiness affect the traits that will survive into the next generation. And lastly, for your third question, you will be revising your initial prediction. Was it correct? Why or why not? For question number 4, based on your answer to number 3, you will explain how you think these unique traits have evolved or changed over time. For step number 4, this is the optional extension. Please watch this video. Let me know 3 things you learned, 2 things you want to learn about, and 1 question that you still have. Please make sure that you have completed steps 1, 2, 3, and 4 if you are completing the extension, and let me know how long this lesson took you. Please don't forget to click turn in on Google Classroom. Thank you.